Certainly. Here's a concise English script tailored for your request. Experience the tranquility and comfort you deserve with Wang Qirui electric massage chairs. Imagine relaxing in a quiet, soothing environment after a long day, now made possible without any disruptive noises. Our chairs are meticulously designed to operate silently, ensuring an undisturbed relaxation experience. Should you encounter any issue like unusual loud noises, our customer-centric approach allows hassle-free returns within 30 days. Rest assured, your satisfaction is our priority. Discover why countless customers trust Wang Qirui for their wellness needs. Watch our Zhihu video to learn more about how we can help you achieve serene relaxation at home. This script highlights the benefits of silent operation, ease of returning products if issues arise, and emphasizes customer satisfaction, aligning perfectly with the essence of the FABE framework.